calculator. Given a numeric expression such as 3 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2, you can use the calculator to calculate its value. With the cursor anywhere in the formula, we type Control F9. Then the Control key plus F9, or by going to the menu, everything related to F9 concerns the calculator, and type Control F9. The expression of an additional window appears, with also the result, which is therefore 10.5. So the calculator integrated in Lambda allows the calculation of numeric expressions. However, it is also possible, for example, by typing only F9, to open the calculator independently. This can be useful when you have to carry out multiplications or operations in other contexts, in geometry, in physics, etc., in which there is not necessarily an expression. So, independently, in this way, it will be possible to calculate the desired operations, for instance, 357 multiplied by 244. This is a calculation that with other tools can be particularly long, and at that point it calculates it directly. It is also true, however, that the result can be a hardly memorable number, because then maybe I have to use it somewhere else. So you can directly paste it at the end, for example, of a problem or after an equal. So the third possible option regarding the calculator is just paste result. In this case, with the cursor, I was in an unsuitable position. Let's suppose we have to insert it here, as you can see. Then paste the result with Control-Shift-F9 and paste the number that was previously calculated. It is, and let's go back to the calculator, a scientific type calculator. In fact, the possible operations are the classic ones, such as the square root and the cube root, the logarithm, the exponentials, and all the goniometric functions. It is also possible through some options to change the number of decimals we want to represent, and therefore before the possible approximation, and we can choose. In this case, they were 3 digits after the comma, or 4 or 5, as it is possible to choose the unit of measurement of the degrees of the angles, which are degrees radians or gradients, and then calculate. This choice of options on the calculator can also be retrieved in the system preferences, where there is precisely the number of decimals that can be set and the unit of measurement of the angles. So you can do it either at the beginning in the preferences or directly within the calculator function.